another episode of Cooking with Louise. I am Louise, your Independent Pampered Chef Consultant. On today's episode, I will be showing you how to make sausage balls cooked in our Deluxe Air Fryer. Time to grate the cheese. Time to measure out the 1 cup of pancake mix. Aunt Jemima is the best brand to use. Okay, so I got the ingredients all incorporated, and I had to actually go in with my hands, like it wouldn't mix with the spoon. I had to actually knead it, and now I am just creating the balls with our medium-sized scoop. So I'm just gonna continue to roll these out. I've got all of the breakfast balls made, and out of that batch, I was able to make 25 balls. So these are gonna go into my Deluxe Air Fryer on 400 for 9 minutes. So the breakfast balls have been cooking in my Deluxe Air Fryer, and they have less than a minute left. They smell really, really good. I can get that smell of the sausage and the cheese. They also have that slightly sweet smell, which is obviously from the pancake mix. All right, you can hear it just went off, which means that they are ready. You can go ahead and press cancel, and we'll check it out. Let's see. Oh, they're looking good. Here is the first tray. Smells delicious. Can you see how good and scrumptious they look?